Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to use exponents to solve real-world application problems. In this particular problem, if we want to find out the amount of water contained in this tub, so we have seen a tub which is 5 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 5 feet deep. We want to know how much of water this water tub can contain. So what do? We want to find out the volume of this tub. We want to find the volume of this tub. How do we find the volume? Volume is equal to the long side times the width times the depth. The long side is 5 feet long, the width is 5 feet wide, and the depth is also 5 feet deep. So therefore, all the dimensions are 5 feet. So therefore, we can figure out the total volume, or we can write it out in terms of exponents. Since we are talking about exponents, we can apply our exponents concept here and then write it out as 5 to the power of 3. And since the units are feet, we're going to raise that to the power of 3 as well. Volume is always going to be in cubic units. And therefore, we have now written out the volume in terms of an exponent. We know from our basics that the base term needs to be repeated the number of times the exponential term is indicating to us. So if we were to expand it out, 5 times 5 times 5, I need to erase this part here, and this is going to be equal to times 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25, and 25 times 5 is equal to 125 cubic feet. You can write it as feet cube, or you can also express it as 125 cubic feet, like that. And this is our answer. This is where we want to leave it. We had a problem which is a realistic problem, and we wanted to figure out the volume of a water tub which had a long side 5 feet, a width of 5 feet, and a depth of 5 feet, and we have used our exponents knowledge to figure out what is the volume of this particular water tub. So the water tub can contain 125 cubic feet of water, and this is how we want to be able to apply our exponential knowledge to some of the things which we see around us. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.